Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Lily. Lily was a thoughtful and introspective child who loved to ponder the mysteries of life. One day, Lily found herself facing a difficult problem. She was struggling in school and couldn't keep up with her peers. She felt embarrassed and ashamed and didn't know what to do. Lily tried to ignore her problems, hoping they would go away on their own. But her troubles persisted, and she couldn't shake off her feelings of anxiety and inadequacy. She felt as though she was carrying a heavy burden that was weighing her down. One day, while taking a walk in the park, Lily came across an old tree. She sat down under the tree and began to pour out her troubles to it. She told the tree about her struggles in school and how she felt lost and alone. To her surprise, the tree replied, "I understand how you feel," said the tree. "I, too, have faced many storms and challenges in my life. But I have learned that it's not about the storm itself, but how we weather it that matters." Lily was amazed that the tree was talking to her, but she felt comforted by its words. She realized that she needed to face her problems head-on and find ways to overcome them. From that day on, Lily began to work harder in school. She sought help from her teachers and classmates and developed new study habits. She also continued to visit the old tree and share her progress with it. Over time, Lily's hard work paid off. She began to see improvements in her grades and her confidence grew. She realized that talking about her troubles and seeking help was not a sign of weakness, but rather a sign of strength. As Lily grew up, she faced many more challenges and storms in her life, but she always remembered the lessons she learned from the old tree. She knew that it was important to face her troubles head-on and seek help when needed. And whenever she felt overwhelmed, she would seek out a quiet spot under a tree and pour out her troubles, knowing that there was always someone or something willing to listen and help her weather the storm. A must-watch from Dare to Do. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.